Good evening. Today is Thursday, December 7, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Thursday, December 7, 2023. Here are the SL Square 3 7 p.m. result from Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for December 7, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of Thursday, December 7, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.